As you seen in cover page, I am going to discuss about features, mechanism, stereochemistry and examples about the most important reducing agent, that is LiAlH4. In this, first we have to know about what is the structure of this. It is in the form of Li plus and HAlHH minus. इसके फीचर्स के बारे में हम सबसे पहले देखेंगे. हमारा पहला फीचर्स है that lithium aluminum hydride is the most powerful reducing agent. Okay. Second feature is that it is a colorless solid. When we use LiAlH4 and the solvent used with it, it is used in the form of dry ether because it violently reacts with water. So the solvent used is in dry form or anhydrous condition. Thus the mainly solvent used is dry ether and THF. It generally reduces polarized multiple bond. Like C double bond O, C double bond N, C double bond C and C triple bond C. The another point is that it reduces aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, lactone into alcohol. Sixth point is that it reduces amides, nitriles, oximes, azide into amines. And the seventh point is that it reduces alkyl halide into alkane. The eighth point is that lithium aluminum hydride is strongly donor reagent. Now we discuss about mechanism of LiAlH4. In this we also discuss about what is the rate and what is the order of rate. First, aluminium, negative charge on aluminium attack on carbonyl and we get the another carbonyl attack, we get this is K2 with another group. And lastly, when we hydrolyze it, we get alcohol. It means we need 4 mole of ketone and 1 mole of LiAlH4. Here the order of rate is K1 greater than K2 greater than K3 and greater than K4. This is due to that in each step we are introducing alkoxy group which decreases the reactivity of LiAlH4 because due to minus I effect of alkoxy group. Now I am going to discuss about stereochemistry of LiAlH4 when it reacts with some substrate. Stereochemistry. I am making this video just to recap about LiAlH4. I am not giving the whole things that what are different type of reactions. Okay, let's discuss about stereochemistry. In LiAlH4, here Li plus AlH4 minus. Here hydride ion is donor. Generally, hydride ion converts the planar sp2 hybridized carbonyl carbon to a tetrahedral sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, let's discussed. We have example CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. As hydride ion is donor, it can attack from front side or it can attack from back side. Okay. If it is attacked from front side, then what we get? Here carbon. If it is attacked from front side, then hydrogen on front side, oxygen on back side. Here CH3, here CH2, CH3. And in presence of methanol, what we get? Hydrogen, OH, CH3, CH2, CH3. And the configuration of this is S. And this is 2-butanol. And if it is attacked from back side, from front, then what we get? Carbon, here oxygen, here hydrogen, CH3, CH2, CH3 in presence of methanol. This is R-butanol. Okay, so what we see here, it is sp2 hybridized carbonyl group and it is converted into sp3 hybridized and we get an enantiomer. This is the stereochemistry about LiL, function of LiLH4 in short form. Now we are going to discuss about some examples. Okay, I have written here 5 examples. Now solve it. The first, we have CHO group and LiLH4. What is that? It reduces in the form of alcohol. Okay, whole group is there and we have simply, this will convert into CH2OH. And here the same group. Okay. Now this is a very interesting case. Here temperature is somehow high and here is low. In high temperature, CHO is converted into alcohol. Also, the double bond is converted into single bond. And in low temperature, as usual, only aldehyde get converted into alcohol. In this case, we get transalkene. This we called propagalic S alcohol. This in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it converted into transalkene. Okay. Now another thing is that if LiLH4 is there and if it is react with RX, ROTS and epoxide, then SN2 mechanism will be followed. And if possible, then inversion of configuration take place. In this example, we have simply bromine substituent is attached, so it get converted into hydrogen. I am going to give you 2 examples. Just solve it by yourself. ओके, ये तो आपको देख के ही पता लग रहा होगा कि ये इन्वर्जन होगा और डी आके अटैच होगा। ओके, बाय।